All right, guys, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I got another one here for you today. A 2007 Mercedes C230 with the V6. It's only got 125,000 miles. And y'all, this thing is gorgeous. I mean, it is in great, phenomenal condition. Someone has put I can't figure out how to turn it on. Put in an aftermarket stereo that looks very Mercedes-Benz-ish. Huh. Okay. The power door locks work, but the power sunshade's not working. Let's see if it goes down when I put it in reverse. Nope. It's in the stuck position up, at least. So that's good. I'd rather it be stuck up than stuck down. Oh man, got a check engine light, top up coolant, and those weren't on at first. They came on after the fact. Man, when you see the outside of this car, this thing is nice. If it's cheap enough, we're buying it, period. We are buying it. Let's take her for a ride. She runs perfect. And the interior, I mean, is just spotless. No wear, no heavy wear, no grime and shit on the buttons, everything's clean, the wood's not cracked. You know how these damn things get when slobs on them. Oh man, very common. That sucks. That'll have to be fixed. But that is very, very common for headliners to come off those damn sunroof covers. Oh, I got an SRS light too. So we got a few. Oh, a top off the coolant, check into us. So we've got some warning lights, but this thing is purring. Let's keep an eye on this temperature gauge right here and see if we get anything unusual. Then I'll know if this thing's burning through coolant. It might have a head gasket problem, who knows, but man, it feels good so far. Feels good so far. Service B exceeded by 9 days. Piss off. Ooh, she's still strong. Motor runs great. On these Mercedes, those top off coolant lights, a lot of times it's just a stupid sensor on the tank. I've run into that many times on my old Benzes. Now this newer newer Benz, I don't know if they still suffer with the same problems or not. But this car had to be jump started because the battery was dead. So I'm going to just leave it running when I park it. And we'll come back and check on it and see if it's running hot. I mean, they don't care around here. They'll just let a sumbitch run. They'll just let one sit here and run until it boils over. Because, you got to sometimes keep these cars running so they can pull them through the auction. They can't just ride around continually jumping cars off. Change of subject. The 2011 Azera right there that I would love to have is, it's an overheater. It has an overheating issue. It only has 106,000 miles. Do y'all know how old and whooped and worn out my damn Azera is? And somebody ran a 011 hot. I mean, how do you do that? Someone just wasn't taking care of it. Clean. Wait a minute. pets under there. Oh, she's clean. Wider than a mayonnaise sandwich. Got new tires on them. Barrows. I've seen those popping up here and there. I'm not familiar with that brand. A Barham. She's a pretty car. I like those wheels, man. Let's pop the hood and see what we got going on under here. Okay. See, I mean, this thing's got plenty of coolant. Give me a break, man. But that doesn't mean she ain't running hot. You know what I mean? Let's see if we got any signs. Whoa. Okay, got a little oil popping out. Well, the cap's not white and gooey. Well, the top off coolant light went away. So this thing's just got kind of a myriad of lights, whatever it feels like showing. All right, 2007 Mercedes C230 with the 2.5 six-cylinder. Pretty good little old car, but got some mystery lights on. She'll probably sell cheap. They always do when they got all these damn warning lights on. So she'll probably sell cheap, but we'll see. My goal is no one look at the Mercedes. No one's looked at the Mercedes wagon yet. Everybody keeps just kind of walking past it. Let's see. I was parked next to a red Camaro. There it is, a red Camaro. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate you watching today. Peace.